Guys, bihira to. Bank foreclosed townhouse sa First Park Homes Tansa. No bidding pa, basta walang kasabay. Hi everyone, this is Jean and today may super sulit na property tayo. If naghahanap kayo ng affordable townhouse sa Tanza, Cavite, eto na talaga. Bank foreclosed, inner lot, at as is where is po siya. Location, First Park Homes, Tanza, Cavite. Lot area, 44 square meter. Floor area, 40 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Selling price, 1,500,000. Perfect ito for starters, small families or investors na gusto ng presyo mababa pero prime location. Ang maganda dito, no bidding basta walang kasabay. So first come first serve. At alam nyo naman mga foreclose sa First Park Homes, mabilis talaga maubos. 20% down payment, 300,000. 80% bank loan, 1,200,000. Estimated monthly for 20 years, 8,000 to 9,500. Note, bank fees at transfer of title hindi pa po kasama. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, cash, bank home loan. Free house tour assistance available. Kung gusto nyo po makita mismo ang unit, message nyo lang ako agad para ma-assist ko kayo. Mabilis po ang galawan sa foreclosed units kaya wag na po magpahuli. I'm Jean Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!